almost 7 o'clock. And just now I am going to start to fix the bike. Yeah, this is the new one. And this is the old one. I am now putting the tire inside of the rim. You know, I always forget how to put it back like this way, the right way. Okay, fix it finally. Yeah. And it is now 7:45. Outside it is still like that. Oh, I need to pick up my uniform. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we are going home now. Today I finished at 2 o'clock. Today is a little bit relaxed. It's busy but relaxed because Chef Matt is there. So we are two who is working in the lunch service. Wanna take forever tonight. When love really sweet, I'm gonna give you because I am tired. We're not going to do pull-ups today. Maybe next week. That's my new tire. I put it yesterday. I thought it's difficult, but it's actually easy. Just that I'm not very familiar with returning the whole wheel. But I managed to put it back through the help of YouTube. There's some tutorial in. Every day there are many people in here, that much. We are actually going home now. We just dropped by in here. We are not going inside the grocery because I still have some food in the refrigerator. Yo, we are home. Already, 1 minute to 3 o'clock. I'm going to eat. I still have the frozen one. This leftover from Lisel. I am actually going to wash that today because tomorrow will be my last day at work. And there will be day off for 2 days. Oh, this is the one. Inigo said he put something in my backpack. So this is the one, Oreo. Thanks. Thank you, Inigo. The water is very hot. 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 Thank you to Lichelle and Owen for my meal. It's been my 4 days meal. Thank you very much. Because of those food, I really appreciate and satisfied my rice meal. That fly, they want to come inside, but there is a screen. I am now making a coffee. It is hot today, but Yeah, we're still going to have a coffee.
This afternoon, they want the port to protect the remaining cats on the Stockton breakwall after a failed cull left several injured. Protesters refusing to be ignored.
Yeah, if you remember my vlog before when I went to Newcastle in Stockton Beach, where there are so many wild cats. Yeah, so basically they are protecting them because there was an incident where some people they hurt the cat, and one of the cat is already blind. No good. Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, we're going home now. Today I finished at 2 o'clock and start at 5:30. Chef Matt is late today. Maybe he forgot to set his alarm. And I was calling him around 5:45 or 5:50, but yeah, I think I made the wrong call. I mean, I dial 9 and then his number, but it is ringing for 3 times and then stop. Yeah, I tried several times and then I go out of the building to call him using my mobile phone because yeah, inside the hotel, inside the kitchen, there is no reception, there's no signal. I'm not worried because we usually start at 6. It's just this day that we are starting at 5:30. Oh, I am now day off, and the same like last week, I am planning to do a short or overnight bikepacking, but I don't know where to go. And again, there are many people in here. This usual every day when it is summer. Also many bikers everywhere. That's amazing. You know, that bike is ordinary. I mean, it's not electric, but he managed to get up in here. Yeah, and if I'm not mistaken, he's around, based on his looks, he's around 70 or 80 years old. Nice, strong, healthy. If you are living in that house, or at least renting, you're going to enjoy the view of the water. I saw in the news yesterday that yeah, the beach is still closed due to you can see there's no people in there. Yeah, due to sewage contamination, something like that. Again, how come I always forget? We're just going to the town center to have a look. Not in the town center, but in the marina. Yeah, we're just going to the grocery to buy something I don't know yet. Yeah, I have everything in my backpack. Okay, yeah, I am doing now my laundry. It is already almost 4 o'clock. And I'm also going to prepare my meal. Yeah, this is what I bought from the grocery. A butter, a mushroom, a siopaw, a shumai, and parmesan cheese. I finished already the basmati rice, and now I have this jasmine rice, and I'm actually going to put it straight to the rice. I put this parmesan cheese, mushroom, and butter because I'm going to make a risotto using jasmine rice. No, actually arancini. Yeah, then risotto and then arancini. It's already 9:44, and I am in the process of convincing myself to do bike camping or camping somewhere in the wild. I just checked the Samurai Beach camp, but it's fully occupied. No vacancy. I mean, yeah, because these days every campground here in New South Wales, the public one, not the caravan, but yeah, camping ground, you need to register from the New South Wales government. That is for also part of the contact tracing. I'm also thinking about the heat. Look at the sun. The sky is very hot outside. It's going to give me sunburn. I'm actually ready. I have this battery fully charged already for my bike. Also this power bank fully charged. Also this GoPro Hero 9 battery. These two are fully charged also. I am actually not preparing my food because I feel like I will be eating outside, but it's already almost 10 o'clock and I'm hungry now, so I'm going to cook.